Welcome to this video, where we will be discussing how to start investing the Warren Buffett way. Warren Buffett is one of the greatest investors of all time. Warren Buffett's investment philosophies have been studied and imitated by investors all over the world. There are a few crucial measures you can take to get started if you wish to follow in his footsteps and you are interested in investing. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of investing. This covers knowledge of the stock market, business analysis techniques, and value investing principles. Reading Warren Buffett's suggested books and articles, such as The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, is an excellent approach to learn more about the fundamentals of investing. So, if you are interested in those books, I have put the link in the description below. Making a long-term investing plan is the second step. The significance of maintaining a long-term investment perspective and resisting the urge to make short-term investments has been underlined by Warren Buffett. Your investment plan should include information of your investing objectives, risk tolerance, and preferred investment category. The third step is to start investing. Opening a brokerage account and investing in inexpensive index funds or ETFs are good places to start. These kinds of investments provide you access to a wide range of markets and can aid with portfolio diversification. When investing in individual stocks, it's crucial to complete your research and comprehend the businesses you're buying. Instead of concentrating on a company's short-term performance, Warren Buffett advises focusing on its long-term potential growth. The fourth step to take is to prioritize quality. When you choose investment strategy, Warren Buffett has stressed the value of making investments in top-notch businesses with significant competitive advantages, robust financials, and a track record of steady earnings growth. He advises staying away from businesses with a lot of debt, lack of transparency, poor management, and opaque operations. The fifth step is to exercise patience and refrain from making snap judgments. It's crucial to exercise patience and keep your cool when the market undergoes brief oscillations because the stock market may be very volatile. Warren Buffett advises to put your attention on the long-term potential of your investments, rather than making snap and poor judgments based on transient market fluctuations. The bonus step is monitoring your investments and modifying your portfolio as needed. It is a must to make sure that your portfolio is in line with your investing objectives and risk tolerance by routinely checking your investments and making any necessary adjustments. These are the essential actions you may start taking to begin investing the Warren Buffett way. You can succeed in the stock market and increase your wealth over time by educating yourself about the fundamentals of investing, developing a long-term investment plan, investing in low-cost index funds.
Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when we post another video.